Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two SEO platforms, which is SEMrush and SE Ranking. So to get started with the in-depth and H2A comparison about the two platforms. So SEMrush in 2025 remains a premium enterprise-grade SEO tool trusted by agencies and large businesses. It offers one of the biggest keywords database, in-depth competitors analysis, backlink tracking, content gap report, site audit, and even social PPC management. Its data depth and integration make it ideal if you need to run a large campaign, dive deep into research, and manage multiple marketing channels from one place. SEO Ranking, on the other hand, is a more budget-friendly yet feature-rich alternative. It covers rank tracking, keyword research, backlink monitoring, site audit, and a white label reporting in a clean, intuitive dashboard. Smaller agencies, freelancers, and growing businesses love it because it delivers most of what you need without the steep cost of complexity. And here's a very conclusion: go with the SEMrush if you want a top-tier all-in-one SEO powerhouse with unmatched data growth, but choose SEO Ranking if you need a cost-effective, user-friendly platform that still handle SEO essential extremely well. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.